So I'm going to show you the sinuses panel in the imaet system. So you go to your navigation page and your systems over here on the left-hand side and go down to sinuses. Click on that, and it brings you to this page. So in this box we have in the middle, we have functional stressors of the sinuses and mucosa. And we also have an anatomical button. So on the functional stressors, this has the functional stressors of the sinuses and mucosa of the body. Everything from acute rhinitis, and we can scroll down to the bottom at Wallenberg syndrome. And if you click on these, this box on the left-hand side at the bottom is going to give you a description of what you are clicking on. If you click on anatomical, this has the anatomical parts of the body that relate to the sinuses and mucosa. So you can click on any of these items, so frontal sinus, and again, that will tell you all about the frontal sinus in this box on the left. On the right-hand side, we have select support. These are the four most common functional stressors of the sinuses and mucosa. So we can click on nasal polyps, sinus congestion, sinus headaches, and relief pressure. Then we can click on whatever we want, or let's just keep it on relief pressure. We can add focus. So let's just add inflammation there. And then down at the bottom on the right-hand side, we have our feedback box where we can enter in the time we want this to run. We can click interface if the client is hooked up to the machine, or virtual if we are sending the frequencies remote. If you have a virtuoso, you'll only have one button here since everything is remote and there's no interface. It's going to go through, and when this blue line reaches the end, it will tell us what percent harmonized that frequency is for the body. And then it will run through our little added focus up here of inflammation. There's also a panel info button at the bottom right-hand corner. And if you click on this, it will just tell you some information about the panel. So you can see at the end of our 1 minute of time, the body is 43% harmonized to that frequency. And now it's running through our added focus of inflammation. If you want to stop this at any point, you just press the stop button. Or it would stop after it finished and went through as well.